video is a no thrills video of the e-brake relocation bracket and the swivel seat install. I'll link the stuff that we used. We do have experience using 3 different swivel seats, 2 not so nice ones and a nice one. This is one of the not so nice ones, and kind of the process we had to go through to get that installed. So check it out, and we'll have more videos of the build coming soon. Very messy. And it looks like you still have to remove all of this. Interesting. Okay. So it looks like these bolts need to come off in order for this bracket to work. So the bracket goes like this, and these are bolts that they supply there, and there. So it looks like we gotta cut those off, and then drill them out, and that should allow us to mount this. We're gonna angle grind it off, which is probably a bad idea because it's just gonna put sparks everywhere, but you know, this is already taking longer than I expected, so it's okay. No, I'm good for now. I was spraying down that bolt that didn't need to be sprayed down. I think that one needs to come off. Cool, so after spending a lot of time just cutting this piece down just to make sure that it still fits so we can put that cover back on, it eventually fit. So now I just need to go through and tighten up all these bolts and then reassemble.
So the brake relocation is almost in, but here's the chaos.
What happens when you have multiple socket wrenches or socket sets that are just missing sockets? You have to use all of them just to find the one you're looking for.
Yeah, so, but it's in.
It's in.
Whew, good work.
Look at that. Alright, so now here is the plate. I'm going to start attaching the plate and let's see how it goes. Okay, well, it's enough to... Wrong holes. So one of the issues we were having with installing this was that I'd get it in there and I could move it like, you know, a little bit, 5-10 degrees, and then it would seize. And then it was hard to get back, and I was trying to figure out what the issue was. So once I pulled all this apart, you have, well, this, I don't know what this plate is, what company this is, but I found that this inner plate here, if you want to look at this, you could turn it slightly and then it would seize. So what I did was I took it out and I just barely went over it and took some of that extra paint off basically. And that was enough to make that thing glide smooth. So hopefully then once all this is back together, we should be able to turn this and this thing should move pretty good.
Nice.
Oh, it's in the door.
She turns.
Look at that.
Nice. Cool.
So one of the big reasons that we wanted a swivel chair, well, we were hoping to use it so we could sit up there, but we found that if you turn both of them like this, it makes a great dog bed. So Sammy can sleep up here. She's got a bed on the floor as well that we put down so she gets to choose, and she can jump into our bed.
So many options.
So many options. But yes, so every day we turn this like this so Sammy can sleep. And she seems to like it. She's falling asleep already.
Good girl here.
And she does get a blanket, yes.